Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use guiding lines to come up with different shapes that we could start with for ideation. So, as you can see, this is a printed box with dotted lines. There's this horizontal line and this slanted line, and also part of a circle, which is an arc that is drawn here. Now, because it went out of the box, whatever that is outside the box, you do not have to draw. Okay, so in this case it's printed for you, so all the lines will actually intersect with this printed box at a certain point. So you can see that the intersection point I've already labeled A, B, C, D, E and F, G and also H. So you just feel free to choose any point to start off with. So in this case I choose point G. So next to point G is this dotted line. So I will start off with this dotted line first. So when I reach point F, you will see that actually I have this dotted line here, which I call path 1, path 2 and path 3. Now in order to form a shape, it is not a line. A shape is an enclosed area. So this is my starting point. My ending point should all come back to this. Then you will form an enclosed area. Okay, so over here, option 1, it went out of the box, so it cannot be chosen. So I left with option 2 and option 3. Now in this case, if I choose option 3, I will come back to this, which leaves me to a small piece and not much design on the shape. So I will not choose option 3, rather I'll choose option 2. Then I'll move further. At this point, option 4 and 5, I can take either option. So if I choose option 4, I move up. Over here, I can choose option 6, 7 and 8. So now I meet up with this line, and this line gives me another option for turning point. So instead of going up, I would like to turn down here. So I choose option 6. So once I reach here, I left with no option. I left with two options. Either I go back or I come forward. If I go back, this is not my starting point. So I need to go back to this. So path 5 cannot work. So I can only choose path 9. So I'll move over and I'll continue to move upwards. I will not move out of the box. Okay, so when I'm at point C, I have option number 10 and 11. So option number 10 brings me to this guideline that I've drawn earlier. Okay, option 11, there won't be any guideline. So I want to use this guiding line to give me some design on my shape. So I use path 10. So over here, I can either path 7, 12 or 13. So when it's path 7, I come back to this point. This is not my starting point. So path 7 is out. So path 13 and 12, both workable. Depends on which one you choose. So for me, I choose path 13. I move up. Over at this point, I can choose path 14 or 15. But take note, if I choose path 15, I will come back to point C. But my starting point is G. So path 15 is out. I will take path 14. Continue to move. Now over here, of course, I can come back down. But I look at this, there is another design that I can move. So I can choose either 16 or 17. I choose to take path 17. And when I'm here, I have path 12, path 8 and path 18. Path 12 bring me back to this point, which is not my starting point, so I reject. Path 8 comes to this point, which is also not my starting point, so I reject. Then I will continue my path over here. Now I reach point H, but my starting point is G. So instead of going up, I will come down and I will form an enclosed area. Now in this case, if you can't really see clearly, this will be my enclosed area. Okay, so when you are doing the work, you do not have to color. As long as you darken enough, I'm able to see the shape and you are done.